Good morning students, welcome for today's session. We are studying chapter 6 triangles. So students, in previous session we did some criteria of the similarities, and today we'll start next exercise 6.3. Now question number 1, state which pair of triangles in figure are similar. Write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the questions, and also write the pair of similar triangle in the symbiotic form. So students, here are given a fourth pair of triangles in which we have to find that by which criterion these are similar or not. If similar, then we have to write which pair, means in which criterion. Okay, so let's start from part 1. Here triangle ABC and PQR. Okay, B is 80. Let's see, any angle is 80 here. Yes, it is 80. Here 60. Yes. 40. Yes. Here is also 40. So these two triangle ABC and PQR are similar by AAA criterion. So students, understood? So you can write here pairs. So angle A is equal to angle P, and angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. Okay students, so just move in part 2. In triangle ABC, here length is given, AB is 2, AC 3, and BC is 2.5. Similar way in another triangle PQR, lengths are given here. So PQ is 6, PR 5, QR 4. Now check which ratio are equal. Now you can see that 3 and here 6, 2 and here 4, and this is. So the ratio, if we'll see, we'll divide each sides by the another triangle's sides. So we'll obtain the ratio as 1/2 here. Okay student. So now we can write the pair as AB upon QR, BC upon PR, AC upon PQ. Okay, so by which criteria? By SSS. All sides are in all sides are in equal ratio. So since these two triangles are similar by SSS criterion. So let's move in third part. So student, here again length of sides are given here. LM is 2.7, MP2, and LP3. Similar way here DF6, DE4, and EF5. Now check 3 2 ja 6. Okay, 2 2 ja 4. Okay, but one more thing is there, this 2.7 and it is 5. So now the ratio of two sides equal, but third, because 2.7 and 5, the ratio will not come 1/2 as in here. So students, these triangle LMP and DEF are not as similar. Okay, so let's move another figure. Here in another part 4, here you can see MNL and PQR, two triangles. Here the angles and sides are given here. MN is 2.7, ML 5, and angle is 70. Similar way here PQ is 5 and QR 10, but the angle is 70. Now you can check that one angle is common in both triangle. Okay, let the other sides are in equal ratio, which are given here. No, because 5 is 5. Okay, ratio is 1, but now here 2.7 and 10, the ratio is equal. No. So students, the third part and fourth part are not similar. Okay, so similar way you can do fifth and sixth part of this question. Question number 2 of 6.3. In figure, triangle ODC similar to triangle OBA. ODC and OBA. The intersecting point is O here. Angle BOC is given 1 to 5. Means this angle BOC is 1 to 5, and angle CDO is 70. And we have to find here angle DOC, DCO, and angle OAB. So students, let's do how to find. You know that in figure DOB is a straight line. Yes. Okay, so as you know that the sum of pair means this angle and this both are the linear pair. The sum of the both angles are equal to 180, and we can say that if it is a straight line, so we can write this like this. So DOB is 180. Okay students, now we'll split it as DOC and BOC. DOC plus BOC is equal to 180. Okay, and DOC is equal to 180 minus 125. Okay, means BOC. So 180 minus BOC, then 180 minus 125. Now what we obtain the value of DOC? DOC is equal to 55. Means this angle is we obtain here 55. Okay, now first part we did. Okay, now second part, DCO. So now students, in triangle DOC, and we have to find this angle, this DCO. Okay, you know that we know the measure of this angle DOC, and this one, only one is left. So by using angle sum property, yes, it's very easy. So students, by using angle sum property means this angle and this equal to 180. Okay, now replace the values. So here 70 and another is 55. We already found here 55. Now DCO is sum of the both, subtract from 180. Now after subtracting we obtain 55. So DCO is 55 degree here. Now third angle OAB. So students, it is given that triangle ODC and OBA means triangle this and this both are similar. So as you know, in this triangle we know that this angle is 55. Okay, this angle is also 55. So now by this property means, as you know that if two triangles are similar, so their corresponding angles also equal, and we have to find angle this angle. Okay, so here if it is 55, so this is also 55 by the vertically opposite angle. Okay, now the corresponding angles are like ODC and OBC, means D is corresponding to B here. So angle D and B is 70 degree, and rest C is 55. Similar way A is also 55 degree. So students, here angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. Corresponding angles of the equal corresponding angles are equal in a similar triangle. So hence student, angle OAB is 55 degree. Next question. Now question number 4. In figure, QR upon QS equal to QT upon PR. Figure is given and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is this, means angle Q, and R, this angle is 2. So what we have to do? So that triangle PQS and QTR both are similar. So students, in such type the questions, whenever we have to prove something or show something, that time we just write the what are given thing in question. Okay, so what are the given things here? So given QS upon QR upon QS, which equal to QT upon PR, and angle 1 equal to angle 2. Okay, now what we have to show? We have to show PQS and QTR both are similar here. Okay, so students, everything is written here. So now what have to solve this? Where we have to think what thing is given. 1 and 2 both are given equal. So means in a triangle PQR, first we'll take the triangle PQR. So if it is given that angle 1 is equal to angle 2, so means this angle is equal to this, so means it is a isosceles triangle. You know that if a triangle having two sides, the two angles are equal, so means their corresponding sides, okay, also equal. So this sides of this opposite of this angle 2, and this side is opposite of angle 1. So means PQ equal to PR. Okay, mark it as equation 1. Now it is given that QR upon QS equal to QT upon PR. So students, by using equation 1, we just replace the value PR by PQ here. Okay, so in using equation 1, replace PR by PQ. So QR by QS equal to QT upon PQ. Mark it as equation 2. Okay, so students, now check in this figure. In triangle PQS, okay, and TQR, what is common? PQS and TQR. Okay, one triangle is this, another triangle is whole. So this angle is common in both triangle, angle Q. Okay, in PQS and TQR, angle Q is common. So one thing is common, as you know that we need three pair to make two triangle as a similar, two sided triangles similar. So now what we'll do, one angle is given equal. Okay, means here now check the ratio QR upon QS. Okay, thus here the ratio is equal of these two sides, and now QT upon QP, yes, it is also equal. So what we think, we need three things: two side pair of triangle as similar. So here by SAS, criteria, triangle PQS is similar to TQR. Constant here angle A, means angle, one angle is equal in both triangle, and second thing is the ratio of the two sides S and S. Okay, that's why it is S by SAS criterion, both triangles are similar here. Okay, let's do question number 5. S and T are point on side PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. So that triangle RPQ similar to RTS. So student, it is here is given that S and R, the point S is here and R is on line QR like this. Okay, S and T. So now second thing is given that angle P is this, is given to RTS, this angle. Okay student, it is same like previous question we did in previous session. Now we have to check in triangle RPQ and RTS. Now student, here triangle copy of RTS is drawn here and RPQ is here. Now what is given in question, that this angle, means this angle is equal to this, and you can check in the both triangle, will compare. So angle R is common in both triangles, so angle R equal to angle R in triangle RST and RPQ. Okay, second thing is this angle T is equal to angle P. So student, by criteria angle A and A, triangle RPQ and RTS both are similar. So students, now you are able to write the statement for this question. Now let's start student. Question number 6. In the following figure, if triangle AB is congruent to triangle ACD, so that triangle AB is similar to AD is similar to ABE. Okay, so students, figure is given here. In this figure, which triangles are congruent? So see, ABE is this part, and another is ACD. Same copy of these triangles, those are congruent, drawn here. Okay student, so what we have to solve, we have to prove here triangle ADE and triangle ABC both are similar. So let's do student, first we'll write the what are the given thing. Okay, given thing, then what we have to prove, then let's start to solve or prove. So okay student, in this given triangle here, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, this triangle so congruent to this triangle. Okay, so as you know that if the two triangles are congruent, means their shape as well as side and angles are equal in measure. Okay, so here you can see this side is corresponding side, AB is the corresponding to AC, A is corresponding to AD, and B is to DC. Okay, the corresponding parts also equal. So we also said it CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. So by this theorem, AB is equal to AC, AB is equal to AC, mark it as equation 1, and AD, okay, AD is equal to AE, by CPCT mark it as equation 2. Why we did it? Because it is given that both triangle are congruent. Now student, in triangle ADE, okay, so we can draw the copy of it. ADE, ADE, another is whole triangle, that is ABC, ABC. In these two triangles we have to show that both are similar. So ratio of AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC, which is we obtained by dividing equation 1 to equation 2. Okay students, so AD equation 2 is divided by equation 1. Now we'll obtain the AD upon AB and AE upon AC. Okay, so as you know, the ratio is equal. Okay, now second thing, you can see here angle A is equal to angle A in the both triangle. Okay, so but it is angle A means A, S and S. By S, A, S, both triangle are similar here. Another question. Question number 7. In the following figure, altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at point P, so that, okay, these are following questions. We have to show that first is triangle AEP is similar to CDP, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE, and AEP is similar to ADP, and triangle PDC is similar to BEC. So students, first two I am doing here, like rest two you have to do as homework. So let's see what is the given thing in question here. Which are the altitude? You know that altitude means perpendicular. So here CE is perpendicular on AB and AD is perpendicular on BC. Okay, so perpendicular means, or it's form a right angle to the base. Suppose here is a baseline and it is CE is a height and here AD is height. So let's do first part, triangle. In triangle AEP and triangle CDP. As one more thing student, here the both altitude by intersect at this point, this, that is P here. Okay, so here is a copy of the same figure is drawn. Now which we have to prove, that is shaded, the both triangles are shaded here. So let's see. In both triangle you can see this angle, this one here right angle. If this is right angle means another one inside one is also right angle. So in these both triangle, angle AEP is equal to CDP, okay, which is equal to 90 degree. So mark means it is angle which is equal in both triangle. Now you know that AD and CE both are line those intersect at P point. Okay, so here one more thing we can pair, that is equal this angle. Okay, both it is known as vertical opposite angle. So angles CPD equal to APE. Okay, so vertically opposite angle. So student, in the above two, by the AA criteria, so here A marked is angle A, here marked two angles in both triangles are equal. So by angle criterion, triangle AEP is similar to CDP. Now second part, triangle ABD similar to triangle CD. We have to prove this. So student, here the figure is same drawn and we have to show that ABD it is whole shaded part, this, and another is CBE this whole part. Okay, same copy of the triangles are drawn here. Okay student, now we have to check which which pairs are equals here, that we can say both are similar. So let's search. In this triangle ABD and another is CBE. Okay, so by observing figure we have to check that which angles are equal here. So student, one thing is given that the altitude this, it is perpendicular ADB and another is CEB, both are right angle. So DBA is equal to CB is this angle. Angle B is a here common angle, you can see this one in triangle this and in triangle this. So first one is equal, another is right angle. Triangle ABD is equal to CEB. Okay, these two right angle and this angle B is common in both triangle. So by student, again same, by criteria double A. Okay, so by double A criteria we can say both triangles are congruent, and we can prove here also triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Next to question number 8. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD, and BE intersects CD at F, so that triangle AB is similar to CFB. Okay student, so here you can see it given that ABCD is the parallelogram and AD is produced to E, and then BE is the line which is intersect CD at F. Okay, so right, what is the given then? ABCD is a parallelogram. As you know that the property of parallelogram, in parallelogram we know that opposite sides are equal and opposite angles also equal. So angle A is equal to angle A, and D is equal to whole this. Okay, as we know that the sides also parallel, AD is parallel to BC and AD is parallel to DC. So students, let's solve this question. So if ABCD is a parallelogram, so angle A is equal to C and angle B whole angle is equal to angle D. Okay, but we have to prove in triangle ABE and triangle CFB. So let's take the both triangle in triangle AB and CFB. Angle A in whole triangle. So student, copy of the triangle drawn here. So ABE. So here you can see in both triangle this angle is equal to this. Okay, so here one angle we found here, but let's check another thing is here. You can see this line BC and AD both are parallel to each other, and this line BE is a transversal line. So as you know that the interior side of this angle, this is equal to this by alternate interior angle. So student, here AEB is equal to triangle of the angle of triangle FBC. So means angle FBC is equal to AEB. Okay, so mark it as equation 2, and this angle is equal to this. So in the both triangle we know that if two triangles are angle equal, then means both triangles are similar here. So student, by A criteria, triangle AB is similar to CFB. Let's do question number 9. In the following figure, ABC and AMP are two right angle triangle. Okay, so ABC and another is AMP. Okay, triangles, right angles at B and M respectively. Prove that triangle ABC similar to AMP. Second, you have to prove here CA upon P is equal to BC upon MP. So students, first one by one we'll do here. So part 1 is ABC in triangle ABC and triangle AMP. So we'll take the two triangles. You can see it's very simple here. In both triangle, so copy of the both triangle drawn here. Here is right angle and here is right angle. Okay student, so after compare you observe that 2B and M both are right angle. Second thing is that you can see angle A is common. Angle A is common in both triangle. So it's a common. So by double A criterion, this triangle is similar to this triangle. So hence student, ABC is similar to AMP. Now we'll prove the second thing. As you know that both triangle are similar, so we know that their sides are in equal ratio. Just write that their corresponding side AC upon AP. AC upon AP. Okay, it is AC is opposite to right angle here. Which is right angle here? Opposite of this right angle is AP. So that's why student written here. Second is CB upon PM. Another is AB upon AM. Mark it as equation 1. But now check, we have to prove that C upon PA. Yes, it is here. And second is BC. Okay, these two part only we will take here. So from equation 1 we can take the only these ratio of the two sides, so which is equal to what we have to prove here. So students, it is proved now. 10. CD and GH are respectively the bisector of angle ACB and EGF, such that D and H lies on sides AB and EF of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If triangle ABC similar to triangle FEG, so that first CD upon GH is equal to AC upon FG. Second is triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. Third, triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF. So students, we must to read question carefully first and then solve what we have to prove here. So first check the figures. ABC is a triangle and EFG is triangle given here. And one more thing, that CD is a bisector of this angle and GH is a bisector of this angle. That means this angle is equal to this and this angle is equal to this here. So after reading, first we'll write the what are the given things, then prove and then proof. Okay students, so what is the given thing here? Triangle ABC is similar to FEG. And now what we have to prove? First part I am taking here, CD upon GH which is equal to AC upon FG. Now students, we'll prove by the given things. What are the given things? Then we'll connect it to what we have to prove here. So start. If triangle ABC is similar to FEG, as you know that if the two triangles are similar, so their corresponding sides are in ratio but angles are in equal measure. So we can write here angle A is equal to corresponding angle is F, corresponding to B is E, and corresponding to C G. So angle A is equal to F, B is equal to E, and angle ACB is the whole ACB is equal to FGE. So now from this angle ACB and FG, it is given that CD is bisect angle ACB, CD is bisect ACB, and GH bisect angle G here, FGE. Okay student, so now bisector of this angle we can write it as, first in this angle ACB, this ACD is equal to DCB. Okay, or we can write it as ACD is equal to BCD. Okay, similar way in this triangle, because now we know that GH is a bisector of this whole angle, so this angle is equal to this, so we can write it as FGH is equal to EGH. So in triangle ACD and triangle FGH, so same copy of this triangle drawn here. You can see ADC, okay, another is FHG. So you can see here FHG. Okay, now as here you know that the bisector and above discussed here, so angle A is equal to F, that is here written. Okay, second is angle ACD is equal to FGH, which is from here. So you know student, the two by angle and angle, so by double A similarity criteria, triangle ADC is similar to triangle FGH. So students, part third we proved here. So by the using this, as you know that both triangle are similar, so we can write their ratio of their side here. You can see the corresponding side CD by GH and AC by FG. So first one part is also proved here. So now students, first and third part proved here. Let's see second part. In triangle DCB and triangle HGE, you can see students, same copy is drawn here, DCB and HGE. Okay, so as you know that CD is a bisector here in this triangle and GH is a bisector here, so means angle this is equal to this is equal to this, and angle C is equal to G here. So you can write here angle B is equal to E, as we know that both triangle are similar, which is given here. So one angle is equal, another DCB is equal to HGE, so it is another one angle also equal here, so one pair. So student, again by using double A criterion, triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. So students, all three part we proved here. 11. In the following figure, E is the point on side CB. E, okay, CB produce of an isosceles triangle ABC. CB is produced, means it is extended here. Okay, in triangle ABC is given that it is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. If AD is perpendicular on side BC, okay, and EF is perpendicular on side AC. Prove that triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF. So student, triangle ABD means this triangle, and EFC, okay. So students, after reading the questions, will separate what the given thing here. Okay, so write the given thing. ABC is an isosceles triangle. As you know that the property of isosceles, if the triangle is isosceles, means the two sides and two angles also equal here. So AB is equal to AC and angle ABC equal to ACB. Okay students, and it is given that AD is perpendicular on BC and EF is a perpendicular on AC. Okay, what we have to prove here? We have to prove triangle ABD is similar to ECF. Okay students, now we'll take both triangle ABD and ECF in proof. So let's do the proof. In triangle ABD and triangle EFC, here triangles are drawn, copy of the triangle drawn from above figure. EFC and ABD. Okay, so we observe the both triangle and then we'll write what the things are common here, equal here. So student, you can see one thing, angle D and angle D in triangle ABD and angle F in triangle EFC, both are right angle triangle. So students, we can write it as angle D is equal to angle F equal to 90 degree. Mark it as angle, one angle is equal. As you know that we have to make the such the equal pair here. Okay, it could be the pair of angles, could be the pairs of sides, ratio of the sides. Okay, so we know that angle B is equal to C, which is written in given thing. Okay, ABC, students, AB, this part, this angle is equal to, here it is same both angle here, this, and C is this. So you can see FC, it is in given question because ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so angle B is equal to angle C. So by student, you can see here two angles are equal. Okay, so by AA criterion, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF, hence proved here. So students, question number 12. Sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC. So students, first line is A beside AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the side PQ, QR and median PM of triangle PQR, so that ABC is similar to triangle PQR. ABC whole triangle and PQR, we have to prove the both triangles are similar here. So students, as you know that first, after reading the question and observe what things given in questions. Okay, so here you can see this ratio of the sides are given here as equal. So what are these sides are here? AB upon PQ corresponding side, and BC is corresponding to QR, so BC upon QR, and AD median, here also median is PM. So both ratio of both means AD upon PM are equal here. So as you know that student, AD is a median in triangle ABC. So what are the properties of median? So median always divide this side to equal parts, as well as this angle bisect this angle here. So means AD bisect here angle A as well as side BC. Similar way here, PM is a median, so the median divides angle P. Okay, it's two equal parts, yeah, we can say bisect angle P. Similar way, this side, this part is equal to this. Okay, so means QM equal to MR, here BD equal to DC. So here it is written. Okay student, now to prove, we have to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Proof. So start from the given thing. It is given that AB upon PQ is equal to BR upon BC upon QR equal to AD upon PM. So students, now let's see here BC upon QR, this part. So we can do something here like that. BC, okay, half of the BC is BD, and here QR, we can do half of it as QM. We need QM and BD here. So how will do? So by multiplying 1 by 2 this term and this term only. So here multiply by 1 upon 2 to BC and QR. So we can write it as AB upon PQ is equal to 1 upon 2 BC and 1 half QR equal to AD upon PM. But rest two terms both are same here, only half multiplied here. Okay. So after means half of BC is, you know, that BD. So we can write it as BD, half of QR. Okay. QR is QM. You can see here. So AB upon BQ is equal to BD upon QM equal to AD upon PM. Mark it as equation 1. So now student, in triangle ABD, you can see ABD and PQM. Okay. So here you can observe that this AB upon PQ and BD upon QM and AD upon PM. Okay, you can see the ratio of the all sides are equal here. So triangle ABD and triangle PQM both are similar here. So question can be come in your mind that why we did half here. So let's understand again from the given thing. Okay, here AB upon PQ, as you know that here AB upon PQ, the ratio of the AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR equal, and AD upon PM is equal here. But student, if we know that in both triangle two things we have here, the side, this side is equal to this, BC is equal to QR, but we don't have another side, only on another angle here. Okay, so how we'll find? First we'll try to similar this whole triangle here, because if we'll do half of this and AD we have, the ratio of AD and PM already we have, and if we'll do half of this side means it is BD and QM. So now you can check the ratio of three sided in this left triangle ABD and in triangle PQM. So both can be similar by the triple S criteria. Okay, same done by here. Okay student, so you know that all the sides here in equal ratio. So by triple S criteria we can write ABD similar to PQM here. So in the both triangle, if you know that both triangle are similar to their corresponding angles also equal. So angle ABD is equal to angle PQM and both, and this also. So only we need on this triangle only ABD is equal to PQM. Mark it as equation 2 here. Okay student. Now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay students, the copy of the triangle is drawn here. So as in the from equation 2, as you know that angle ABD means talking about this angle, which is equal to PQM means this. So in whole triangle ABC, angle B is equal to the angle Q in triangle PQR. So first thing is we observe angle, one angle is equal in both triangle. Another, from the given thing that AB, this side of the ratio of this, which is equal to this. So AB upon PQ, which is equal to BC, whole side BC upon QR. So S. So student, by SAS similarity criterion, triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR.